What if I told you that the robots of the future are no longer locked inside labs or movies, but are actually available for you to buy on Amazon right now? From intelligent home assistants that can respond to your voice, to robotic pets that behave like real animals, and even AI-powered machines that can patrol your home and keep you safe. We are officially living in the age of consumer robotics. And in this video, I'm going to show you the top 12 robots on Amazon you need to see in 2026. Some of these are fun, some are useful, and some feel like they came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Make sure you stay until number 1, because that robot is on a completely different level. Alright, let's dive in. Robot number 12. Smart Delivery Service Robot. And now for a bonus entry. This is a smart delivery service robot designed to transport items automatically from one place to another. Using AI navigation and obstacle detection, it can move safely through homes, offices, and even sidewalks. Some versions are already being used in restaurants, hotels, and modern smart buildings. It's fast, efficient, and feels like something straight out of a futuristic city. As delivery technology continues evolving, robots like this could soon become part of everyday life. Robot #11 AI, Personal Fitness Trainer Robot. Next up, we have an AI-powered personal fitness trainer robot. This smart robot can guide workouts, track movements, count reps, and even provide real-time fitness feedback. Some models include motion sensors and voice coaching features that help improve exercise, form, and motivation. It's basically like having your own futuristic gym coach at home. For people focused on health, fitness, and smart technology, this robot is seriously impressive. Robot number 10. Beginner Educational Coding Robot. Starting our list at number 10 is a beginner-friendly educational robot designed mainly for kids, students, and beginners in programming. This robot is built to make learning STEM concepts simple and interactive. You can control its movements, program simple commands, and even explore basic coding logic through fun activities. What makes it special is how it turns complex robotics into a playful experience. Instead of just reading theory, you actually see your code come to life in real time. Perfect for students who want to start their journey into robotics and Robot number 9. Smart Interactive Talking Robot. At number 9, we have a compact, smart talking robot designed to interact with you using basic AI responses. It can answer simple questions, tell jokes, give reminders, and even react to your voice. Think of it as a mini desktop companion that brings personality into your space. Some versions even include facial expressions on a small screen, making it feel more alive and engaging. It's not just a gadget, it's more like a digital friend sitting on your desk. Robot number 8. AI Robot Vacuum Cleaner with Mapping System. Now this one is extremely practical. At number 8, we have an AI-powered robot vacuum cleaner. But this isn't just any vacuum. It uses smart mapping technology to scan your home, detect obstacles, and plan efficient cleaning routes. It can automatically avoid furniture, detect stairs, and return to its charging dock when the battery is low. You literally just press one button, and your home gets cleaned automatically. For busy people, this is one of the most useful robots you can own today. Robot number 7. DIY Programmable STEM Robot Kit. At number 7, we move into something more creative. This is a DIY programmable robot kit designed for learners and hobbyists. Unlike pre-built robots, this one allows you to assemble it yourself. You can learn how motors, sensors, and circuits work together. Then you can program its movements, behaviors, and reactions. It's widely used in schools and tech learning environments because it builds real engineering skills. If you love hands-on learning, this robot kit is a perfect choice. Robot number 6. AI Desktop Companion Robot Assistant. At number 6, we have something that feels like the beginning of real personal AI assistants. This desktop robot can recognize faces, respond to voice commands, and display emotions using animated expressions. It can tell you the weather, set reminders, and even interact with smart home devices. What makes it stand out is its emotional intelligence style interaction. It doesn't just execute commands, it reacts in a human-like way. It feels like having a tiny AI companion sitting right on your desk. Robot number 5. Robotic Dog Companion. At number 5, things get really interesting. We have a robotic dog companion. This robot behaves like a real pet. It can walk, bark, follow commands, and perform tricks. Some advanced versions even learn your behavior over time and adapt to your interactions. For people who can't own real pets due to allergies, space, or lifestyle, this is a perfect alternative. It gives you the emotional experience of having a pet, without any maintenance. Robot number 4. Home Security Patrol Robot. At number 4, we enter serious technology territory. This is a home security patrol robot designed to move around your house and monitor everything in real time. It uses sensors and cameras to detect motion, unusual activity, or potential intruders. If something suspicious is detected, it sends alerts directly to your smartphone. Some versions can even stream live video while moving around your home. It acts like a mobile security guard that never sleeps. Robot number 3. AI Learning and Advanced Coding Robot. At number 3, we have a powerful educational AI robot designed for deeper learning. Unlike basic kits, this robot adapts to your learning speed and provides structured programming lessons. It teaches logic building, AI concepts, and robotics control systems. You can program it to perform complex tasks and even integrate it with external sensors. This is more than a toy, it's a full learning platform for future engineers. Robot number 2. Advanced Humanoid Assistant Robot. Now we are getting close to the future. At number 2, we have a humanoid assistant robot. This robot can walk, talk, recognize objects, and interact in a highly human-like way. It can assist with tasks, respond to questions, and perform pre-programmed actions. What makes it impressive is how close it is becoming to human behavior. This is the kind of robot we used to only see in movies. Now, it's becoming reality. Robot number 1, Next Generation AI Home Robot Assistant. And finally, number 1. This is the most advanced home robot assistant you can find on Amazon in 2026. It combines multiple AI systems into one device. It can control smart home devices, answer questions, recognize your habits, and automate daily tasks. Over time, it learns your routine and becomes more personalized. It's not just a robot. It's an evolving AI assistant designed to make your life easier every single day. From entertainment to productivity to home automation, it does it all. This is the closest thing we have today to a real-life futuristic home robot. So that was the top 10 robots on Amazon you need to see in 2026. From educational kits to smart assistants to humanoid machines, robotics is evolving faster than ever before. Now I want to know from you, which robot was your favorite, and which one would you actually buy? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more future tech content. See you in the next video, and welcome to the future.